Okay.
I'm burning the heat up.
You're burning the heat up.
Am I done yet?
No, we're not done yet, guys. Come on. Put it back down. Over the fire. There you go.
I usually put it in the fire.
Don't put it in the fire. Up, 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 up. High, high. Let's see how high mine is.
I
Hey.
kind of can't put it that high because this is heavy.
Because it's heavy.
Yeah. You have to make sure it's in your between your legs for you, Bob. Burning the heat.
Put it in the heat.
All done?
Almost.
This isn't even close to done. I'm flipping it over.
You're flipping it over.
So I don't get that. So I can get each side.
Good.
That's what you have to do, right?
Yep, you got to keep flipping it over.
I can smell that mine's done.
Is it done?
Yeah. I can smell that mine's done too.
Butters, Joey, go.
Oh, so I can smell that mine's done too.
Now touch it a little bit and see if it's hot.
Oh, it's hot.
Is it hot?
Yeah, it's hot. I don't want to feel it.
Okay, well, that's all right.
It's usually hot.
Okay, let me see here. Hold on.